Hi guys, this is Nikera. Welcome back to another edition of my home cleaning videos. Clean with me. So today I'll be sharing with you how to really organize and tidy your sort of office slash study room. So it's a really small space in here, and it's a lot of dust and things sort of being out of its place because the kids use it, we use it, and at the moment it really needs some cleaning up. So I hope you'll be motivated to do yours as I do mine. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. So I've got this thing here that I bought, guys, from Pound Stretcher. It is so good. It's one of those little table that you can put on the bed while you're using laptop. You can put your phone there, put your pens. But I need it to put I'm gonna take this bit off. I need it to put my printer on top of it, guys. I'll put this bit in here. And I'm just going to put my printer, keep it under here. as I said, I'm just shopping in my home, and so I'm just giving this a nice shine down, and I'm going to just put it over here. Just there. Okay, right. I have an idea for this. This sofa here is gray and looks okay, but I just felt like it needs something. I want to feel wow. I want to feel beauty. I want to feel a bit of beauty, a bit of wow, and a bit of glam. All right, so I think I'm going to use a throw over it. I've got a black throw, and I don't know, I'm so in love with black these days for the whole home decor. Right, so this is from Primark, and I'm just gonna, let's see what we come up with. Right, so I'm just gonna put this over the chair, this throw, as a trial. If it does not look so great, I will be removing it. Yeah, because this, guys, it's actually it's a sofa mattress, so it's been folded in a sitting position at the moment, so there's a little, sorry, I think this is my hair. Yeah, so there's a bit of gaps in between, just a little gaps, so I can push the fabric into the gaps. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Room looks like. Okay, guys. All right, so for the desk, I've given it a nice clean, and I've organized these books over here. Okay, and I've got that vase, so I've got some decorative stone inside of here, which is from B&M. Got some pampas plants. Yes, guys, and this vase is from Home Sense. Okay. So that's it. On this side here is a little bit more darker. Right, so what I did really, I had the throw in my living room, so I sort of shop around the house, and I just wanted something a little bit different, to look a bit different, and so I used this throw to cover over this sofa bed. All right, so that little gray bit here is what the entire sofa looks like, and I'm so in love with the black color these days. So love the black for home decor. So alright, so and I've got these lovely cushions which actually complements my my little rug. I bought this rug from HomeSense, guys. It's quite huge, so to cover most of the entire floor space here, apart from the side bits here, and over here you got the side as well. But I love it. It feels comfortable and it feels earthy. So this beautiful wall print here, and I felt like it just really coordinates so well with the color scheme in here. Yeah, the black on the orange. So beautiful. Isn't that so amazing, guys? Yes, that's all year round for me. Look, summer, autumn, winter, it will work, trust me. And I've got this lovely wall plaque again, and I've decided to put it on either side of my window. If you see my initial video, you will actually see that I did have a curtain. I had a curtain pole up here, but we recently did a bit of painting in here. We decided not to put it back up because I felt like it gives the room a little bit more open space without the curtain pole and the curtains itself. Alright, that's our lovely day and night blinds over there. I love it. Alright, on this little table here, the like little corner table, we actually got this from B&M, guys, a couple years ago now. Yeah, so what I did, there was books all over on the 3-tier of the table, and I said no, it was just too much going on, so I decided to just keep the books on the lower shelf only, and then I could put my little accessory items up there. Okay, so beautiful. Okay, and I love that little light tone green going on, so that does coordinate with my little green plant here. And the black again, I've got a beautiful black lantern, and it's the one that was used by the batteries. I bought this, guys, from Poundland. Yes, Poundland. And I literally painted it in black. I spray painted it because it was pure white. And I love the black going on. The other matching pair on this side. Okay. Again, guys, these beautiful sort of vase, orange vase, I got them. I thrifted them from the thrift shop. All right. Okay. So on the opposite side over here, as you can see, could you see that? I decided to add these little beautiful some little wooden thing here, like a little wall art to my wall, because it really matches with a carpet. Can you see that? That brown earthy color, and then it goes so lovely with that, and it also matches my pampas color plant, that natural earthy feeling. I love it. And guys, do you know exactly what I've used on this wall? This was actually shoes rock. It's a shoes rock, guys, but I've been using shoes rock for almost everything I try to do with a shoes rock. You know, and these was like some extra one that left over, and I had just had them tucked away, not been used. So I thought, it just suddenly clicks and said, why not try this thing and see what it will look like? And that's what I did, and I really love it, because sitting on this side and just looking over, yeah. And then I've got a little clock on the wall here, and this clock, I believe, is from B&M. This is what our chairs look like. They are so huge, guys. Alright, they're not really the best. Okay guys, and then you've got the ceiling up there. Yeah, as I said, I had a hanging plant on this here, this little bracket here, but it was just, it's huge, it's a huge huge plant, and it just felt like it was just not looking beautiful, just not right. Even though the plant itself is beautiful, but it just wasn't working for me in here, and I'm so happy I decided to remove it. Alright, so that's what the sofa looks like from a distance. And that little beautiful throw that I put on this thing, it looks so amazing guys, right? See, we can really do things with our hands. It's just amazing what we can do. Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'm sure you will take away some little tips. Shop in your own home, or if you don't have the item, then you'll have to go out and see if you get it somewhere, somehow, and just turn things around. I like what I did. Simply, if you're sort of tired of the look of your sofa, you can get a throw and put over it, and it gives you that beautiful, amazing, fresh look, you know. And use your cushion again. Cushion and plants goes a long way. It makes your home look so beautiful. And of course, your rug. Alright, a lovely rug. Okay. Alright, shalom, bye for now, take care, God bless, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. You just have to touch the button. It goes a long way. It motivates me and wants me to do more, and I've got so much ideas sometimes, but you know, sometimes you feel a little bit, because it's hard work here guys, hard work to put a video out there. It's hard work to do it, and plus to edit it, it's not easy. And it's encouraging when you see the support coming in. All right, thank you, bye, shalom.